What addictions to certain foods say about your health?
Each person more than once faced with such a situation when the body came up against an intolerable desire to eat a particular dish. You are not interested in what exactly directs such impulses and what it can mean. Why did suddenly an organism that gravitates toward vegetarianism suddenly demand red meat or want a whole lemon, even though you never liked citrus fruits? Its simple, obsessive eating habits may indicate a lack of certain trace elements, or even hint at the fact that a serious illness is developing. Let's look at some products in more detail. Potato chips. An unbearable desire to eat salty, which almost never leaves you, may indicate that the body lacks calcium and magnesium. In order to properly feel the need for salt, you need to minimize the amount of its consumption so that the taste buds can adequately perceive the salinity of the dish. Lemon. In principle, the obsessive desire to try lemon may not carry anything serious. Just in your body there is a deficiency of vitamin C, and he is trying to quickly fill it. However, if after you have satisfied your desire, but you still want to sour, you may develop anemia. In this case, you need to see a doctor. Red meat.
A strong desire to eat a huge steak that has not been leaving you for a long time may indicate that you have a zinc deficiency.
Zinc is involved in maintaining the immune system, so it is important not to miss the moment when its reserves can still be restored. In addition to red meat, lentils, shrimps and spinach can help with this. Fried onion. The traditional beer snack, onion rings, so beloved by you, obviously, for a reason. The fact is that the need for such a combination of products may indicate incipient liver problems. These problems in a serious stage will manifest themselves in several other ways, but at the stage when you realized that ordering the next portion of onion rings is not dictated to you by common sense, but something else, you need to think about it. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.